सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, CUT UG 2025 एस्पायरेंट्स जनरल एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट का इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट जनरल नॉलेज एंड करंट अफेयर्स रैपिड रिवीजन सीरीज। तो इसमें स्टैटिक जीके और करंट क्वेश्चंस भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अहेड ऑफ अंबेडकर जयंती, मध्य प्रदेश नेम्स न्यूएस्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. While it would be the first wildlife sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh to be named after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the neighboring Uttar Pradesh already has Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Bird Sanctuary in the Kunda area of the Pratapgarh district. See the points, इस है तो ये करंट अफेयर्स का न्यूज, बट स्टैटिक जीके के पॉइंट्स भी देखते जाइए, ठीक है ना। बर्ड सेंचुरी, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर बर्ड सेंचुरी इन कुंडा एरिया, प्रतापगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. Ambedkar Jayanti is observed on 14 April to commemorate the memory of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Indian politician and social reformer. It marks Ambedkar's birthday, who was born on 14 April 1891. His birthday is also referred to as Equality Day by some in India. ठीक है? Ahead of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's 134th birth anniversary, the BJP-led Madhya Pradesh government has named its 25th wildlife sanctuary, मध्य प्रदेश की 25th वाइल्ड सेंचुरी इन हिज ऑनर, डेडिकेटिंग इट टू द फादर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. यस, संविधान इन्होंने हमें दिया था, फादर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. द स्टेट फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट issued on Friday a notification declaring 258.64 square kilometer of protected forest area in the North Sagar Forest Division of the Bundelkhand region as Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Wildlife Sanctuary. The protected forest area of two development blocks of Sagar district, including Banda and Shahgarh, will form part of the new sanctuary. Clear है? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it? It's a static GK past year question. Easy है. Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The famous quote, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," was uttered by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, a prominent Indian freedom fighter and social reformer. He is also known as Lokmanya Tilak, accepted by the people as their leader. Lokmanya Tilak. The Index of Industrial Production (IIP) in India is published by which organization? The answer to this is the Index of Industrial Production (IIP) in India is published by the Central Statistical Office (CSO), which is under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation (MOSPI). देख लीजिए कुछ एब्रीवेशंस भी हैं. MOSPI, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, CSO, Central Statistical Office (CSO), Index of Industrial Production. ठीक है जी, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which city is the host of Stree Summit 2025 on women safety and empowerment? ये लेटेस्ट है, करंट है. कौन होस्ट कर रहा है? द हैदराबाद सिटी सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल HCSC hosts the second edition of the Stree Summit to empower women for safety and security. DRDO conducts successful release trials of long-range glide bomb Gaurav from Su-30 MKI aircraft. काफी कुछ है. देखिए, सबसे पहले DRDO abbreviation, Defense Research and Development Organization, successfully conducted the release trials of long range glide bomb LRGB. उसका नाम क्या है? गौरव. Between April 8 to 10 2025 from the Su-30 MKI aircraft. During the trials, the weapon was integrated into multiple stations in different warhead configurations with land target on island. The trials successfully demonstrated range close to 100 kilometers with pinpoint accuracy. काफी स्टैटिक जीके के भी पॉइंट्स आ जाते हैं. करंट न्यूज है, ठीक है, देख लीजिएगा. LRGB गौरव is a 1000 kg class glide bomb designed and developed indigenously by Research Center इमारत, Armament Research and Development Establishment and Integrated Test Range. तो इंडिया का डेवलप्ड है, indigenously developed by India, Armament Research and Development Establishment and Integrated Test Range Chandipur. Senior officials of DRDO and the Indian Air Force participated and reviewed these trials. ओके जी, क्लियर. आगे बढ़ते हैं. मैच लिस्ट 1 with list 2. Now these are the players and the games which they play. So Dhanraj played for Indian hockey, India hockey के लिए. So A is 4. ये तो confirmed है. तो ये ऑप्शन गया बिकॉज यहाँ पे A3 है और ये ऑप्शन गया यहाँ पे A3 है. Then B, PV Sindhu played badminton, B3. सो दोनों में B3 है, सेकंड थर्ड ऑप्शन में B3 है. ओके. गगन नारंग शूटिंग, C is 1. So C is 1 means this second option is the correct answer, third one is wrong. And then D is 2, Geeta Phogat played wrestling. ठीक है जी, क्लियर है? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं फिर आगे. ऑल द बेस्ट. आगे अपकमिंग सेशंस के लिए वेट करिए और पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए. गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू.